Good afternoon everyone of class 9 students. Now I am presenting some important points from the chapter 1 of geography. Let's discuss latitudinal extended of India from chapter 1. This is very important point. Latitudinal extended of India is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. That is called northernmost, and longitudinal extended of India is 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. That is called easternmost. India, then third point, India lie in which hemisphere? You know all about that. Northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. In which hemisphere? Northern hemisphere India is lie. And third point, name parallel which divide the India into two equal parts. Name the parallel which divide the India into two equal parts. Topic of Cancer. Answer is topic of Cancer. Topic of Cancer, 23rd and half degree north. Clear? This is called topic of Cancer. India divide into equal part. Then fifth number, name the two seas located around the India. Name the two seas located around the India. That means in western part in India is Arabian Sea, and eastern part is Bay of Bengal. Clear? In the eastern part of India, Bay of Bengal, and western part of India, Arabian Sea is located around the India. Clear? What is the southernmost point of India? Southernmost point of India, Indira Point. We know about Indira Point. Then, in which year Indira Point submerged under the water? In which year? In which year Indira Point was submerged under the water? All of know about it. Tsunami in 2008, 2004 submerged under water of Indira Point. What is the total area of India? Already discussed in previous class. 3.84 square kilometer. That is there 2.4% area to the world. Clear? What is the size of India in the world? Seventh positions according to area. What is the size of India in the world? 7th position. What is the total land frontier of India? Total land of frontier of India, including all international boundary except coastal land, that is called land frontier India. Land frontier India from Gujarat to Bay of Bengal. That means this is called total. Include total Indian territories also include here 15,200 kilometers, the total frontier land of India. This is very important points. All of are here very important points for coming soon examinations. Clear? What is the total coast frontier area, coastland area of India? Coast and area of India, 7,615.6 kilometer, the total coastland area in our country. Clear? From Gujarat to Bay of Bengal, southern portions, and northern portions is land frontier of India in about 15,200 kilometers. Why 82 degree 30 minute called standard time of India. 82 degree 30 minute is called standard time of India. Why? Because 82 degree 30 minutes east is situated center of the country, center of the India, namely Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, and that's why 82 degree 30 minutes east are called standard time of India. From here all countries time is equal. This is the main reason behind it. Clear? 12 points are discussed. Now 13 more points I will also discuss in front of you. So please listen carefully and remember the points, because all points are very essential and important for examinations. In which year Suez Canal opened? In which year Suez Canal opened? 1869. 1869 year is Suez Canal opened. What is the significance of Suez Canal? India distance from Europe reduced the distance from India to Europe 7,000 kilometers. By this establishment of Suez Canal, India to Europe, the total distance are reduced 7,000 kilometers. Very important points, mind it. What is the north-south distance of India? North-south distance, that means previous class I was discussed north to south, from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the total distance is 3,214 kilometers. Clear? From north to south, and east to west, the total distance of India 2,932 kilometers. Clear? Very important points. Then, which two island countries are India's neighbors? Which two island countries are neighbors of India? Namely are Sri Lanka and the other is Maldives are two island countries neighbors in India. Name the water bodies which separate India to Sri Lanka. The southern portion, this is India's southern part, and Sri Lanka is here. Name the water bodies which separate India from Sri Lanka. One of them Fox Strait and other is Mannar Gulf or Gulf of Mannar. Clear? Very important points. Mention the types of state in India present before 1947. Very important points. Name the types of states in before 1947. Before 1947. 1947 in India, name the two states. One of them, the provinces, and other is princely. There's two types of states before 1947. The last point today, name the states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. Name the states which passes through the Tropic of Cancer. We all know about that this is our country map. Clear? Name the states in which the Tropic of Cancer passes. Tropic of Cancer, the latitudinal extent is 23 degree and half, 23rd and half degree north. This is called Tropic of Cancer. Fully middle of the country from Gujarat to here. Name the states. Name are Gujarat, Rajasthan. There are total 8 states are situated which passes through these states Tropic of Cancers. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Once again I repeat, this name Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram also. This is very important 8 states for Tropic of Cancer passes. So this is all of complete from chapter 1 of class 9, that means the class 9's geography first chapter is fully discussed and complete. Students, all of requested, please do the fair copy and revise the first chapter for better performance. So I will definitely come with next topics, next chapter for geography second chapter. So thank you very much.